My name's Leanne Wood and I'm seeking re-election to the Senedd for the Rhondda. In February 2020, nearly 400 homes here in the Rhondda were flooded as a result of Storm Dennis. We expect more freak weather as a result of climate change, and so we need to really understand what happened in February 2020, and that is why I am calling for an independent public inquiry so that we get the answers to what went wrong in February and we're able to protect people in the future. Consultant-led emergency medicine at the Royal Glamorgan Hospital came under threat, and people came together in our communities to fight to save our A&E. That fight was successful, people power was successful, but we need to make sure those services in our local hospital and our primary care services get the real investment so that we can make sure that if something like COVID happens again, we're better ready next time. There were many people in the Rhondda struggling before COVID hit. There were already too many people without work, too many people in low-paid jobs on 0 hours contracts, and too many young people without a real future. We need an economic plan to make sure that the inequalities that have been highlighted by COVID are reduced, because the health inequalities are linked to wealth inequalities, and unless we tackle one, we won't tackle the other. I've worked hard over the last 5 years with my incredible staff team and team of local councillors, as well as a growing band of volunteers, to try to build up communities here in the Rhondda. I want the opportunity to continue with that work.